Okay, let me show you what I have so far for this add-on of PieMenus, this one. Let's go in the preferences. As we can see here, I have some presets. One for this, I will activate the preview, and one for this. This was just a test for my Gizmo Creator add-on. And in each preset, I have PieMenus. So let's create a new preset. I will stop this. I will create a new preset. I will name it test, like that. I have no PieMenu, so I will add a new PieMenu. I can directly click here. As you can see, I will see my PieMenu. I can directly, if I want, start and add some buttons. I will click here. So now I have a new button. Easy peasy. So let's create a PieMenu for primitives. So let's name it cube. As you can see, I can search for an icon. So let's enter cube. I will use this one. Done. Okay. And same for an operator. I will have mesh primitive and add cube. I can add a tooltip. Add cube. Voilà. Okay. So now, when I will call the PieMenu, I will have this button, and I will have the description if I put my mouse on it. Nice. You can add a condition, so I want to be able to add this one in object mode if I want, or I can set this PieMenu to work only in object mode. If I click here, I will have mode condition and I will choose object mode. And now this pie will only be visible. You will be able to call it only in object mode. Okay, so let's get rid of this right now. I made this cube here, so this is nice. I will add a new button. As you can see, the new one will be there. Okay, so I will this time add a cylinder. So let's name it cylinder. Okay, same, add cylinder. For the icon, I will enter cylinder, like that, and for the operator, I can search for a cylinder on this one. Okay. You can also make something like that, mesh, right-click, up, and copy Python command if you want. So that's it. I have now two buttons. Let's add a third one. You will see that we not add buttons like in PieMenu. In PieMenu, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. So this one is circular because we can add more than one button. So this time, let's name it plain. Okay, tooltip add plain. Okay, for the icon, same, search for plain. Done. And for the operator, same, search for the plane. Where is my plane grid? Here. Okay. Done. I have three buttons. I can hide this. For the design, I can search for an existing design. I will activate it, as you can see. Or for the basic one, up, like that. You can save your own design if you want, duplicate them, rename them, etc. And you can also change the radius for this one. So nice, this is what I want, perfect. Now let's add, let's add a keymap. So let's choose something like this. I will use A. Done. And as you can see now, I will be able to edit if I want. Perfect. So let's stop the preview. Let's delete this one and call this pie. And as you can see, bam, it's done. Up, my bad, not this one. Up, cube. Up, plain. So this is the same workflow as my Gizmo Creator add-on. In fact, I used a lot of things from this one to this one to make it as simple to do as possible. You have the search, etc., etc. So I will also continue to add some parts, but right now, as you can see, this is not so bad, and you can just check what you did. And since you can edit your PieMenu directly in the 3D view like that, you don't have, you see exactly what you do, so this is something that is really nice. So that's it for this. This is still a work in progress. I still don't know if I will keep this add-on, but honestly, I really like it for now.